What is up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing the HUO Ji Z-88 mechanical keyboard. Yep, that's a mouthful. It's a 60% mechanical gaming keyboard with 81 keys and it's got hot swappable switches, which is awesome. The one which I've got are the brown switches, and there's an option to get blue switches as well. So this is currently priced at around 4,300 on Amazon. Having said that, let's get unboxing. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. Oh, this is the packaging. I was expecting a box inside the box, but this is just a pretty standard unboxing experience. And this is the keyboard. It's very lightweight. Interesting. Let's keep that aside and see what's okay. So in here we got the swappable switches, which are brown, and you can use this to swap the keys. Okay, interesting. Let's keep that aside, and then we got the user guide. Alright. So as I said, the keyboard is very light, and wow. It's got a gold metal base. I'm not sure if you can see in the camera, but that looks amazing. And this is how the brown switches sound. I definitely like this sound over the blue switches of my previous keyboard. Alright, so now let's check the backside of this keyboard. And as you can see, it's USB Type-C, which is easily removable, and it can also be replaced in case it stops working, so that's one good thing. Also, you can route the cables using these gaps which they have provided here for better cable management. That's also amazing. Let's also check how easy it is to remove the keycaps from this keyboard. Okay, that's pretty easy as well. And now let me just put it back. And as you can see, it's got the brown switches. Right, easy as that. Let's go ahead and connect this keyboard and check how it looks with the RGB on, and also different modes that are provided on this keyboard. So this is how the keyboard looks with the RGB on, and if you ask me, it looks beautiful. Let me turn off the lights and show you how it looks. So this is how the keyboard will look when it is super dark. This is awesome. Let me take you through the different modes, RGB modes that's available on this keyboard. So you got to press function and page down. Okay. This is my personal favorite. It's all random colors, but it gives a very nice look to it. Okay. I think this will work when you hit the button. Let's keep it at this, and if I'm not wrong, function and up key is to increase the brightness, and function and down key is to decrease the brightness. Alright, so this is the max brightness. I wonder if function and right and left will do anything. So I'll be definitely sharing the pros and cons of this keyboard in my future videos, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.